Are you ready to elevate your YouTube channel in 2024? In this video, we'll guide you through proven strategies to grow your audience quickly and effectively. As a young creator, standing out in a crowded space can be daunting. But fear not, we've crafted a comprehensive step-by-step guide just for you. Learn how to tackle common challenges and harness the power of social media. Prepare to dive into the world of rapid channel growth and unlock your potential as a content creator. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to expand your reach and engage with your audience like never before. Buckle up and join us on this exciting journey to YouTube success. Let's explore the growth challenges you might encounter and how to overcome them effectively. As a young creator, getting noticed on YouTube can be challenging. Understanding these obstacles is your first step toward overcoming them. Many struggle with the intricacies of the YouTube algorithm, which dictates your channel's visibility. But you're not alone in this struggle. By identifying these growth challenges, you're already ahead. We'll delve into how the algorithm affects your reach and what you can do about it. Remember, understanding the problem is half the battle. In the next segment, we'll explore actionable strategies to conquer these obstacles and grow your channel effectively in 2024. Let's transform these challenges into opportunities and move closer to YouTube success. To elevate your YouTube game in 2024, let's explore actionable growth strategies that make a difference. First, consistency is your greatest ally. Regular, high-quality content not only attracts viewers, but keeps them returning. Each upload is a promise to your audience, building trust and anticipation. Embrace social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok are powerful tools for extending your reach. Use them to tease upcoming videos, share behind-the-scenes content, and engage directly with your audience. Every interaction is a chance to deepen connections. Never underestimate the power of conversation. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. Your community wants to feel heard, and by acknowledging their input, you turn passive viewers into active participants. This sense of belonging enhances viewer loyalty. By integrating these strategies into your routine, you'll overcome common growth hurdles and lay a solid foundation for long-term success. Next, we'll explore advanced techniques tailored for 2024, ensuring you're equipped to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Welcome back, creators. Now that we've laid the groundwork, it's time to level up with advanced strategies for 2024. Let's dive into the latest features YouTube has rolled out. Use these tools to optimize your content and enhance viewer engagement. Consider teaming up with fellow creators. Collaborations are opportunities to tap into new audiences and broaden your reach. Sharing creative insights enriches your content with fresh perspectives. Stay vigilant by analyzing and adapting to trends in our fast-paced digital landscape. The key is to remain flexible and innovative, ensuring your content stays relevant and captivating. By integrating these advanced strategies, you position yourself at the forefront of YouTube's evolving ecosystem. Remember, staying ahead in 2024 requires more than just consistency. It demands creativity and the courage to step outside your comfort zone. Up next, we'll wrap up with a powerful conclusion and actionable steps you can take immediately. Stay tuned for the final segment, where we'll empower you to put these strategies into action and turbocharge your channel's growth. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our guide on turbocharging your YouTube channel in 2024. Let's recap the winning strategies: maintaining consistent, quality content, leveraging social media, and engaging with your audience. We've also explored cutting-edge tips like using new YouTube features and collaborating with creators. Now, it's your turn to implement these strategies for remarkable growth. Remember, every successful creator started where you are now. Keep pushing forward, be persistent, and stay innovative. If you found value in this guide, hit that subscribe button for more tips and insights. Join our community of aspiring YouTubers, and let's continue this journey together. Your growth starts today, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So, dive in, take action, and watch your channel flourish like never before. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.